They know about XQC even if they don't say they know about XQC.
xQc 的。
Now that's a McLaren right there, you know what I'm saying?
Wait, did you say XQC? 你说的 XQC 吗？哎，你说的是 XQC 吗？
说的是 xQc 啊。
哦，不是 XQC，
是 xQc。
这是那个直播吗？
对啊。
这个国外
minus 50%。
Wait, how do you know that?
Look, when your RP divorced me, what was it, China, Hong Kong? Yeah, you pretty famous.
你怎么认识？你认识他吗？
An update, I'll let this Henry guy do some talking about the Carfax of it, because we got a new update. I told you guys in Henry Core I was going to give you an update. Here is your update on where the car is. Now we know xQc moved to Miami, right? He moved to Miami. You're probably like, where's the car? But let's hear where we at now first. You have, who knows how often this shit updates, but we have to look at the Carfax, right? And I was gracious enough to have the VIN number. Don't ask.
You dig, bro. You like to dig.
Don't ask no questions. So now, when I was looking at it, some things stuck out to me. Y'all remember this? I think this caught everyone off guard, yo. When I pulled up the Carfax, I was like, wait, what? This was actually a very successful video. Well, they have it listed at roughly around $290,000, and you were like, well, didn't he only pay about $300,000 for it? Yeah, how did it retain its value so good? I think it was maybe 350. Come on, get to it, Henry. You're about to see, right? Now, what does this say? This is where shit go left real quick. All right, so when you go down to it, you like, oh shit. Now we know xQc bought the car in 2021, but who in the hell bought the car in 2023? Oh my goodness, what the fuck? Like,
Hey, yo, what the fuck?
this shit looked like it was sold in 2023. Don't worry. Now, she probably sold it to himself because there was a technicality in California with the whole and. It's her and xQc, or it's her or xQc. Chances are on the title it was or xQc. This would allow her to sell the car to herself, if you will, or transfer the title to herself, generate a new title, and then sell the car. Or we're going to get the exact date it was sold, okay? And looks like they had ownership for 2 months. All right, now I have a theory, we'll get to it. So it had 29 miles on it when he bought it, and 49.23 when someone else bought it. So it looks like somebody bought the car December at or around December 11th, 2023. Now here's something to take note of, right? I know X got the car in 2021, and I want to say he had it before December. Who knows if this is an accurate date? Now, all right, so we got this, right? Who knows if it's an accurate date? Theory out there that maybe she sold it to herself in order to sell it to someone else. This is true, right? This is true. Now, I think everyone went crazy when my man xQc Reviews posted the car. It's like, yo, they selling it for $290. This is an ad somewhere, right? You like, no way they're selling the car for $290. But what he doesn't say where this car is at. Doesn't say where it's at. I don't think he does, right? I don't think he does. So what I do, right? You like, Henry, what did you do? We got more Carfax. We got more Carfax, okay? More Carfax. Okay, so look, here we go. New owner reported. We know that was Adept. Yost Auto Tailoring. Hey, they detailed that shit. All right, you like, okay, it's still in New Beach, California. Okay, cool. What'd they do? Hey, they serviced it up too. Tire condition and pressure check. You like, okay, cool. Now, where is the car? The car is in West Palm, Florida, right? So get this to xQc. If he really want it back, right? If he really wants it back, he gonna have to buy that shit. And it's in probably driving distance of where he's at. Now, it has some miles on it. It looks like somebody put an extra 22 miles on it. But at the same time, do you really want to buy the car that was stolen from you? I don't know. Now, we have to couple that, right, with the fact that the whole divorce thing, right? Here we go right here. This is a court doc. Now, here's the thing, guys, with these court docs now. I was wondering, like, yo, how are people getting the court docs? And, you know, every time I go for them, they're sealed. Well, what they were doing is going through a third-party website. Okay, they were going through a third-party website. And if you go through the third-party website, it gives you access to these court docs. And I'm like, what? They're like, yeah, you just got to go through the third party. I'm like, oh, man, I didn't know about the third party. I would just go through the court. Okay, and here we go. Let's get into it. So what does it say? On April 3rd, 2024, the court considered xQc's motion to dismiss for lack of jurisdiction, which we know it was granted. I was able to get that. Okay. Petitioner, Adept appeared through her attorney, Ian Pittman. xQc appeared through his attorney, you know, Adam, super lawyer, Jay Morris, right? You like, God damn. All right. Record. The record of testimony was duly reported by the court reporter for the County of Law Number 1 of Williamson County, Texas. Findings and rulings. Okay, here we go. The court finds that on December 18th, 2023, this court signed the order granting xQc's no evidence motion for summary judgment. Under the terms of that order, Adept's claims as to the existence of an informal marriage was dismissed. So that means, hey, on that date, that shit was done. December 18th, he was free. Now, the court finds that this court lacks subject matter jurisdiction as to all other claims brought by Adept in her first amended petition for divorce and the original petition for alternative causes of action. All right. So it is therefore ordered that this case is dismissed and all costs are taxed against Adept for which let execution issue. Now, here's the thing. I think the judge 100% is going to sign off or has signed off on it already, but it's just a matter of getting the proof or whatever. Because here is the, oh man, what the hell? Here is the court docket, right? Court docket. Notice of judgment was emailed on 4/4. Notice of judgment emailed. Now, I'll try to get this, but I imagine it's just her signing off on the order, because typically when you see these orders right here, this is not an accident. The judge already spoke to them. They know how it's gonna. The judge like, hey, draft this up. This is drafted by his attorney for her to just sign it. And we know that's Brandy Hawford. So with that being said, it looks like my man xQc may be 100% free of Adept. However, he may be down some cars. He may be down some cars, which he does not probably care about. And he's even moved on with looks to be like some new love interest. You know, them RP relationships turn real. But as far as his legal issues with Adept, he said he's going to pursue it in, which will be California. I've yet to see that, but you know, who knows? So with that being said, there's y'all xQc Mclaren update, legal update, potential new RP love interest update, all wrapped in a bun. And I'll probably get this clipped and, you know, disseminated for it. I'll still be covering xQc sporadically. But, you know, juicers, xQc on the fucking chat. You know what I'm saying? What do you guys think? Long overdue? Or I think people just got like fatigued towards the end. Like they were like, oh, man, this shit is dragging. It went on for so long. Like that's the crazy part. It went on. Like, remember, this started November 2022. We are in April 2024. So you have 1 year, 5 months. He may be free legally, but that demon is not done trying. Hey.
Get your money up, not your funny up.
Hey, she's convincing, man. She's convincing. I wonder who she's going to do like an interview with and talk about this shit. Like what platform? Who do you think would platform her?